Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, my topic of discussion is Microsoft Word's home tabs, next processes. And for a second video, we have discussed cut, copy, and paste commands. Now, we are going to discuss a format painter that is there. What is how a format painter and how to utilize that format painter. Now, we have to discuss bold, italic, and underlines commands. These are the shortcut commands, and we have to utilize that. First of all, we have to write something here. You can choose this. You can write you can write anything. I lived in Haripur. I lived in Islamabad, and my village of residence is Haripur. I want to know you that, want to tell you that I am a engineering student. I got first position in my ENGINW or engineering exams. This first of all, you have to select this data. Use this bold. You can check out the bold command. Data is bold, data is simple. You can use this data again. Click on the B button and you can check out the original. Select again, use bold command, then italic command, and then underline command. These three commands applied on this data. You can check out and compare this data with this data or this data. You can easily understand what are the meanings of that. Italic means tera. In Urdu, you can use this word tera. I want to tell you about this. Underline means you can check out the line under this text. Okay, I hope you understand what is meant by bold, italic, and underline. Now I want to use format painter. I clicked on this. Just put cursor here. You can click here. You can select all the data. This is the simplest form of data selection. Or you can use press click button and move your cursor from right to left or left to right. You can select the data, or just click here, one click, no movement, and you can select whole line. Hope you understand the shortcuts of all the tricks I used here. Select on the format painter, click, select the data, then click on the format painter. You get this thumbnail. Okay, understand? When I click there, you get a cursor. When I click here, you get a brush. Now I'm going to click this and press it. Okay, you can check out same italic, underline, and hope so you understand how to use this format painter. I again use this, click on it, then press this and select your whole line, or you want to use that data. I clicked here and you can get this. I got first position. That is applied on bold, italic, underline, three commands applied on that data. Hope so you can understand what I mean to discuss with you. This is a simple steps. These are the simple steps that I used in these video commands to discuss with you peoples. In first video we have discussed just a general go through, and the second video we have discussed cut, copy, and paste commands, and then in this video we have discussed format painter, bold, italic, and underline commands for more features, for more visibility you can understand. Thank you very much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum. Stay connected for more videos.